Maribor 2 dni gosti mednarodno konferenco o elektronski varnosti, virtualizaciji in nemotenem poslovanju RISK 2011, na kateri se IT strokovnjaki med drugim pogovarjajo o novi generaciji varnostnih rešitev in zaščiti podatkov.
There's two key things changing at the minute. The first is the threat is changing. We've been used to a decade of cybercrime, which is almost like random drive-by attacks. Now what we're starting to see is what's called an advanced persistent threat. And that really is picking a specific organisation or group of organisations and keep hammering them till they're compromised. The other fundamental change we're about to see is the move in how we use IT. We've had decades of laptops and desktops, and now we're starting to hit this idea of consumerisation. iPads, iPhones, Google tablets, and it brings together the personal use and the business use. And this is, to me, the biggest change we're going to see in my lifetime, certainly.
Do you think that companies should have their own security experts, or should they leave the question to professionals?
I think the perfect answer to that is a hybrid of both. And we're certainly seeing that now, which is a lot of companies are looking to the likes of government or the security industry to say, we need help to keep up to speed with what's going on. But that's got to be applied back to each of our own businesses. So there has to be somebody that takes that knowledge and then actually applies it and says, what does that mean to me? What do I need to do?
How secure is the company data in the cloud?
For many, cloud is a service, and what it means is we don't really know what security goes on. So there's an awful lot of effort going into now trying to give people confidence and comfort that when they use cloud services, they have some method of actually measuring what kind of security controls are provided as part of that cloud service. We see now 55,000 threats per day, one every 1.5 seconds, but we're used to dealing with that. What we're finding is more and more our users share their lives online through social networking tools. That then becomes the method of either tricking the user, building that relationship, tricking them into handing over information, or being able to socially engineer them, do the reconnaissance about the business. So I think as we share more and more of our lives and we can't separate between business and personal use, then the user is going to continually become the weakest point of our security.
But is the answer not sharing our lives or dealing with the security threats the right way?
Absolutely, we should share our lives. Social networking, Web 2.0 are great tools. What we need to do is to educate our users as to how they do that safely, and also then start putting some of the right controls around it. So we bring together the social aspect with the traditional, more physical aspects of security we're used to.
V bistvu pa smo posvetili konferenco letos tudi ne samo varnosti, tudi virtualizaciji in pa zaščiti podatkov ljudi, ki so v toku, torej ljudi, ki delajo izven firm. Namenjena je direktorjem informatike, tudi menedžerjem manjših podjetij, državni upravi, v bistvu vsem, ki se kakorkoli ukvarjajo z računalništvom in ki skrbijo za omrežje v podjetjih.
Gre za eno redkih, če ne že edino tovrstno konferenco v tej regiji.
Res je, mi smo konferenco začeli delati pred 6 leti. Nikoli nismo mislili, da bo prerasla okvirje. Prerasla jih je iz preprostega razloga, ker je tematika zelo vroča. Danes je to mednarodna konferenca, gostimo v 2 dnevih okrog 500 ljudi, ki prihajajo z 15 držav. Večina jih je Slovenije in pa z bivših držav naše ljube Jugoslavije. So pa tudi tukaj ljudje iz Izraela, iz Velike Britanije, Amerike, Nemčije, Italije, tako da zelo dobiva tisto mednarodno noto.